Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be Christmas Eve very soon. We're gonna be doing a little teeny bit of open source stuff that I didn't get to finish up yesterday, and then we're gonna transition right into the advent of code unlock. But how are you all doing today? Let me say hi to everyone who is here. Arrowbounce was first today. Wow, Arrowbounce was first today. Evil Gordita is also here. JJMC, good to see you. D-Dels, welcome, welcome. Fixer Jake says, man, these last few days I've had good timing. Randomly load up the stream to be ready, and you're just going live. Yeah, good timing indeed. Mr. Singh is also here. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome back. Okay, so, oh, do I have any open source news? Do we have an update since last time? I don't think I did any open source today. Yeah, this was yesterday. Nice. Yeah, we talked about this on stream because I was like, 666 and 69. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, did not do any. Well, I didn't do any pull requests today. I did post some issues. Setup tools fixed their 2 regressions, which is good. Because one of them was breaking dead snakes and the other was breaking user installs, so that's all in a good place now. Right, but what we were doing was making the release for pre-commit hooks, and we were partway through writing out the changelog. The problem is I don't remember where we were in the changelog. Maybe I should have left myself a thing. I think we did this one. We did this one. I skipped this one because it's not that important. We did this one. We skipped that one. That one's not important. Neither is this one. So this is the one we have to look at now. Narf says, how did yesterday's AOC puzzle treat you? Oh yes, I guess I should give an update on that as well. So, when I signed off yesterday, we had the answer but not code that worked because my solution just like took forever. My code is not great for yesterday. Admittedly, this I mean the data structure is fine. The next states is a lot of manual fiddling around. Like there's 2 if statements here, there's 4 if statements for part 2. It's not great. But I figured out what my bug was. We were revisiting states that had tied scores, and so it was still fractaling out to, you know, essentially exponential amount of work. And when I changed it from a best score to a scene set, then it finishes rather quickly. So if we look at part 1 takes, why is it taking so long now? Wait, what? It took like 100 milliseconds earlier. Why is it taking 6,000 milliseconds? Oh, did I put back in 0 and 10 maybe? Yeah. Yeah, I put back in 0, 10. Yeah, so it's a lot faster now for part 1. Part 1 was taking 4 seconds before, so this is a pretty big improvement. And part 2 completes now. I did get a run that completed. I ran it with PyPy3, and it took like 11 minutes and eventually came up with a solution. But now I've fixed this one, and it's down to, well, it was like 6.5 seconds earlier, but 7 seconds. Good either way. My part 2 solution goes 8 seconds, but I chose a pretty slow storage mechanism for the state, as did I. Yeah, my storage is a bunch of dictionaries that get copied over and over and over, and building dictionaries, even if you're building them from an existing dictionary, is just really slow. I would have done better with like tuples or whatever. Hey, what's up, Mini Monkey? You all stored your state files on a remote server too. Not quite that slow of a medium, but yes. Kind of slow. All right, 689. Pre-commit hooks. We want pull request 689 from a master branch, so I don't even know what it is. Success to, oh yeah. Yep. What is the name of this hook? Executables have shebangs. That's the only one that got changed. Check. Executables have shebangs. Improve messaging on Windows. Yes. 689. PR by this individual. Did they close an issue with this as well? Did. 686. 686. Issue by this person. Okay, 674, which is one we reviewed recently. End up needing to do a bunch of find and filter type operations, even on only 8 things, repeated 200,000 times. Yeah. The thing that I struggle with on mine is that, like, there isn't a good way to take a tuple or a list even and make a new tuple with just one value overridden. You know what I should have done? Oh no, that wouldn't have worked either. I was thinking make a name tuple and use replace, but I need index replacement. So I did dicts, and this is what my update looks like, which is not great. It works. The code's easy. The code's short and simple, which is what I guess I optimized for there. Diego, no. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I switched to a string for storing my state. Oh. Interesting. That seems like a pain in the ass. I mean, it sounds fine, but it sounds like a pain in the ass. Okay, what was I doing? 74. Have a thing? Yeah, it does. 674. Check added large files. Fix. What is the fucking option? Whoops. Fix. Enforce all. With git LFS. I guess this can be a feature. Support enforce all with this 674 PR by person. So many people just PRing from their master branches. I don't understand. This closed an issue as well. 560. 560 issue by this person. And 704 I think is just a test change. So did I actually do no work in this in this release? I mean, I did do stuff. I just didn't feel like it was worth calling out. Yeah. Well, I guess that's fine. Still haven't re-debugged my solution. I see. Hey, what's up, Time Traveler? Hello, hello. Basically necessary for Java. Yeah, the data structures in Java are probably a little bit of a pain. Via Versol says, what is your words per minute PR? Words per minute PR? Personal record? Is that what you mean? PR? PB? On this keyboard I can do about 120-ish. On a more standard keyboard I can do 130, 135 at tops. With like 98% accuracy. I'm not great at accuracy because I cheat when I type, but it's still pretty good. Do that on type racer death mode. Yeah. But for instance, like I recently took notes on we have this interview type at Stripe, which is a manager roleplay, where a manager has to have a difficult conversation with an engineer, and they both roleplay that position. And there's a third party who takes notes on what everyone says. And I was able to record every word of their conversation in the notes. So I can type it to speaking speed pretty well. Hey, what's up, ASD? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. But yeah. Oh, that's interesting. Can you see it on the camera? Yeah, you can see it on the camera. Look at the top right of the keyboard. You see how there's the little light there? The light changes when I click in and out of my VM. I don't know why. I think it's numlock? Or scroll lock? No, yeah, it's scroll lock. You get striped as Alex Sexton too? I have no fucking idea. There's thousands of engineers. I am just a little pawn in a massive infrastructure organization, or a massive organization. Hey, what's up, Pyline? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Alright, I believe that's all the changes. 4.0.1. The reason that I'm timing this now is MyPy released again this week. So I'm trying to batch the auto updates basically. Okay. Name only. Format equals. Okay, 401, 410. Yes. No, we are not changing the Flake8 version. Not that file either. Cool. The 4.1.0. Alright, that's not gonna work. Yep, of course. Git tag this. Actually, I remember this being fiddly last time. We were gonna do this. Because they changed how builds work for pip. They now build in the working directory instead of in a temporary directory. So if you have random garbage lying around, it ploots the distribution, which is really annoying. Okay, but that's that out of the way. I guess I should feature this on the pre-commit account. Oh, this is going to show my phone number. Because I have multi-factor enabled. Isn't scroll lock a hotkey to focus escape Wurtle box? I have mine set to right control. I don't know. Oh, that yet? Twitter pre-commit, guys. And okay. Louise C, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Now we can do the Twitter here. Oh, I also need to make release notes. Yes, is that what I do? It's been so long since I've done this, so I kind of forget. Okay, we're down to 10 minutes, so we have a little bit of time here. Draft a new release. 4.10. Pre-commit hooks. 4.1.0. Then changelog. Ooh, it's more than 30 lines. Okay. Grab these. Can I move them for a short puzzle tonight so I can spend more time cleaning up yesterday's? Yeah. Mr. Singh says, I know a PyTest hook exists in pre-commit, but is it a good idea? It is not. I don't think one exists either. At least last time it was proposed in PyTest, I closed the PR. Yeah, it does not exist. It doesn't really make sense. The tests are too slow for commit time. And you know, managing dependencies is fiddly. So I would not recommend it. There are a few cases where I have set up PyTest as a pre-commit hook, but they're like extremely rare. Okay. Is there anything to call out here? Not really. A lot of people though, which is cool. Interesting that it doesn't have my picture here, even though, or pre-commit CIs. I guess this is just the list of people that I listed up here, maybe? Hard to tell. I don't know. Don't really care either. Pre-commit hooks 4.1.0 has been released. This version removes a bunch of hooks and fixes a few bugs. A auto update to get to the latest version, or just wait for pre-commit CI to do it for you. There we go. Cool, good enough. Paste this anywhere. What am I doing? Cool. Yay. Oh, now it says mine. It includes me. Interesting. Cool. Cool. Alrighty, that's out of the way. I should like and retweet my own tweet. Little masturbatory, but whatever, fuck it. Never mind, we're not gonna read Twitter on stream. Matterus, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Case by case basis, if you aren't sure, the answer is probably no. Yeah. Yep. Precisely. Okay. Advent of code, get this ready. Day 24, the penultimate day. Let's see how impossible it is for me to leaderboard. Oh, we could just barely make it. I would need 100 points. 160 points. 170 points. 163 points. You get global. I don't think it's gonna happen this year. There is a chance, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Double first place? Yeah. Oh, I mean, yeah, sure. If I double first place today and tomorrow, like, easy done. But there's absolutely no way. Aerobound says 2 more streams before I vanish until December. You know, you could stop by throughout the year, Aerobounds. We would welcome you in chat. No, I understand. Don't worry about it. It is funny that, like, you are a very familiar name, but I only see you for a month of the year. And Eric is here. The Aneurysm's here. You exist outside of December. It's true, it's true. I wonder what would happen if we randomly sub-gift Aerobounds. I mean, Aerobounds has a gift sub right now. Okay. This ready in the right place. I'm actually going to use the restroom before we do day 24, but let me get everything set up first. Init.py, day 0, part 1 to day 24. Oh, I got it to complete, by the way, Eric. I got my day 23 to finally finish. I had a slight typo. I had a less than where I wanted less than or equal to. Which, yeah. Python or CPP? Oh, thank you for the resub at tier 3. I know you're Ezekiel, but you changed your name. Welcome. Good to see you again. 5 months. Wow. How have you been? It's been a while. Twitch has changed the color of chat again. Twitch changed the blue in chat. Why did they do this? It's a slightly different color now. Twitch. Chatbot Marsha, yeah. Marsha's chatbot is a little nuts. Just a little nuts. Downward trending though, but a little nuts. Oh yeah, let's see Eric here. I wonder why there's these clusterings of Eric's chat. Eric trolling more this year? It's true. Okay, yeah. Let me get this set up, and then I will fill up my water and go use the restroom, and then we'll be ready for unlock. ESC 2021, day 24, part 1. No, we do part 2 first. Part 2, part 1. ASC download. Okay, I will be right back, and then we'll do unlock. So I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. We're ready. Mark Sands, hello. Good to see you again. Marcus M says, does somebody know how to make a function that copies a binary tree? Memcopy? No, I'm kidding. It depends on how the binary tree is situated and implemented. And what language, and there's a lot of factors into that. Presumably if you've implemented it, that's going to be different for everyone else. But one way is, I mean, a super lazy way is to just do an in-order traversal and build a new tree. Not even an in-order traversal, any traversal, and just insert. Can be slightly less efficient than a more directed build, but it would work. You could also do a breadth first traversal and insert that way. Spoiler for tonight's puzzle, it probably contains the word the. Shit, Eric, you can't give away insider information like that. I'm just here being like, please not number theory, please not number theory, please no modular arithmetic. But maybe I shouldn't say that. All these spoilers keep disadvantaging Anthony Writes Code. Yeah, now that I know that it has the word the, I'm fucking screwed. I don't know how I'm gonna do it today. Today's the Game of Life puzzle? Yeah, Game of Life puzzle or maze puzzle, right? Tonight is a puzzle confirmed, yeah. Modular arithmetic is better when you have a ton of libraries. Yeah, or you actually like understand the theory behind it. For me, it's just like scroll through Wikipedia and try formulas until one of them works, which like, bleh. But something easier today, like the CRT problem or the jigsaw problem? Neither of those were easy, ASD. What are you talking about? Oh god, another puzzle problem would be crazy. My solution to that was so nuts. Yeah, what's up, Supertex? Marcus, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yep, good luck to everyone. Feel free to mute up if you want to avoid the spoilers on the penultimate day of puzzling. These are all in the right spot. Yes, we're good. We're ready. We're ready to go. It's okay, Nate. Hello. Hey, ugly code is the reality. Like sometimes your code is gonna be ugly. Like yeah, my solution yesterday was awful. AirPods, we can't do this right now. I'll owe you one though. Yes! 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 I love this. Okay. I'm so happy. I didn't see what the input was, but we are just gonna skip the tests for this one. because I am cocky. For line in lines, s dot split lines. Actually, we can probably jump around. Prog equals this. Piece equals 0. While what is the termination condition? Those are input. Okay, input is code. Enable as many submarine. Find the largest valid 14-digit model number that contains no 0 digits. What is the largest number accepted by monad? Oh, so we just have to reverse engineer the code. Got it. Okay. Oh my god, there's a lot of it. Fuck. Input and write it to variable a. Okay, so let's I guess start translating this. Okay, so we have a lot of inputs. How do the input things? Read an input value and write it into variable a. 14-digit numbers consisting of 1 through 9. The digit 0 cannot appear. Okay. Use 14 separate input, each containing a single digit. Okay. Find the largest valid 14-digit number that contains no 0 digits. 'Attempting to execute division with b equals 0 or attempting to execute mod with a less than 0 or b less than or equal to 0 will cause the program to crash and might even damage the ALU. Got it. Okay, so we need to figure out what this does. So there's no jump, so it's literally just figuring out what each of these things does. Oh, and they're each digits, so maybe we just figure out, we split, maybe do this in code. Parts equals s dot split on input w. Is that right? We start with an input w, so we have an empty part from there. What do you mean? Fedez LV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So we really just need to make separate programs and try each number. Yeah. Parts, and we want to ignore the 0th part. Right? 15. Okay, for I in range 10, for part in parts. We want to do reversed. And we will just raise an exception, try execute prog n. Okay, cool. continue, otherwise so we can just do n times equals 10 and plus equals I, and then return n. Okay, parts. Read the value of A, add the value to A, the value of B, and then store the value in where? Oh, so it's A plus equals B. Variables. Those are always variables and never numbers, okay. But these are sometimes numbers, sometimes variables. Okay, variables command 1 plus equals lookup. Typo. God. Lookup command command 2. Okay. Elif command 0 is equal to mul. Elif command equals div. Okay, to division. Okay, variables command 1. Blah 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 blah. Val is less than or equal to 0. Less than 0. Mod equals val 2. A and B are equal. Store the value 1 in variable A. Otherwise, store 0. Okay. What the fuck? That number is huge. What happened here? Oh, we need a break. God damn it. Okay, well that's gonna cost me a bunch of time. Shit. Well, that can't be right. Oh, we need to keep the state from the previous puzzles too. Shit. So if it's ever successful, we move along. What do you mean none-type has no attribute copy? Oh, we need to return. Still no. What? We are never hitting value errors? That seems crazy. Imagine if all this, the answer is just 99999. Yeah, no, there's no way. There's no way. I've definitely screwed something up then. Fine though. All right, let's take a look at this first chunk and see what we expect here. Okay, x times equals 0, x equals 0. Z equals 0. 0 mod 20, x equals, this is useless. Divide z by 1, also useless. X equals 15. This is always 0, so this does nothing too. This sets x to 1. So this doesn't use w after that. This is always... This one is always fine with the first digit. Let's try the next one. We might have state at the end of this, which is annoying. This doesn't use w at all. Oh, it does here. W could never be equal to 14. Am I reading the input instruction wrong? Read a value and write it to variable. Nope. In the order of most to least significant bit. So to check the model number this, you would give 1 to the first, 3 to the second, 5 to the third, and so on. It will indicate that the model number was valid by leaving a 0 in variable z. Oh shit. After it's running all the instructions, it will indicate. Okay, fuck. We can't just do 1 digit at a time. And the crash is not necessarily what we want. Okay, so let's reverse engineer the input. Okay, so for there's first digit, digit 1. Digit 1, we do W equals digit, X equals 0, Z equals 0. This does nothing. This does nothing. X equals 15. This is always false, so X equals 0. This is always true, so X equals 1. Y is 0 now. Now Y is 25. Multiply Y by X, so this does nothing. Add 1 to Y. Multiply Z by Y, that also does nothing. Multiply Y by 0. Add Y to W. So this does nothing. Add 4 to Y. Cool. Multiply Y by X, does nothing. Add Z to Y, so Z is 4. Okay, that is our first digit. This accepts anything, so the first digit is always 9. On to the second digit. Digit 2. W equals digit. And we'll copy this from the first one. And multiply X by 0. So this is 0. Add X to Z. Does nothing. Mod X by 26. Does nothing. Divide Z by 1. Does nothing. Add 4 to X. Actually, we can just get rid of any div dot ones. So I don't have to do those anymore. Do we have any add dot zeros? No, we don't. Okay. Right. Add 14 to X. Cool. X is equal to W. That is always false. Set 0. This is always 1. Multiply Y by 0. Add 25 to Y. Multiply Y by X. Does nothing. Add 1 to Y. 26. Multiply Z by Y. That gets a big number. 4 times 26. Multiply Y by 0. 0. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate that, Dragon Mike Z. Add Y to W. This does nothing. Add 16 to Y. Multiply Y by X. Does nothing. Add Z to Y. Add Z to Y. This is 5 times... Wait, add Z to Y. Okay. This is also 9. Actually, we don't know that it's 9. In fact, we don't know anything about it because it didn't influence the input at all. Weird to me. On to digit 3. We have to do 14 of these? Fuck. Alright, so X equals 0. Add X to Z. Or x equals z. So z is 4 times 26. Mod x by 26. 0. Add x 11. This is always false. Yeah, that's always false. This is always true. Y is 0. Y is 25. Still 25. Now it is 26. We have that weird pattern everywhere. Multiply z by y. Oh my god. Z is equal to 4 times 26 times 26. Multiply y by 0. Add w to y. Add 14 to y. Multiply y by x does nothing. Add z to y. Okay, we have had our first influence. On to digit 4. Do we do this with code now? I think we do this with code now. Yeah, let's do this with code now. Okay. Okay, looks like we are doing a bunch of equality checks. We need to support equality and adding with W. And equality should be easy as long as x is large enough. Okay. All right, so we have our state. If command 2 is equal to W, assert is greater than or equal to 10. Or less than 1. Then it'll be false. Then variables command 1 equals 0. Otherwise do this. Oh, we do divide z at some point too. That's obnoxious. Okay, but it looks like we are building up values in z. So x and y we can just treat as normal math, and z we just need to ever do anything here with z. We do need to add it to x sometimes. Oh, and then we have to mod. Oh, that is annoying. Well, we know this is a reset, so that's helpful. We have a bunch of different types of things that we need to handle. Okay, so let's do mul. If lookup command 2. Do we ever have mul with W? No, we don't. If lookup command 2 is equal to 0. Oh, this is going to be a problem because so we can just say if command 2 is equal to 0, then variables command 1 equals 0. Otherwise, we have to build up state somehow. We only have 3 variables. Okay. Basically need to represent things as like a sequence of math, I think. Or I could keep doing this by hand. One or the other. Oh. Oh, we have extra new lines in here? Shit. Okay. For variables. Okay. Other plus 12. Momosahi, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. That's gonna be recursive. Hmm. Shit. I just typoed that. Okay, so I think I need to build up like expressions and then see what the expression looks like. Oh, I did loop up again. Okay, if it is multiply. I wonder if I can just use times equals. I'm gonna try it. See what happens. Should work. No though. And I don't think we need this at all for now. Fonseca, Sebastian, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I think this is actually the other way around. We don't have to support that though. We only have to equals and add W. Then we don't need to specialize this any. Oh yeah, we do. Wait, no, we don't. See what this gets us. Certainly doing something, yeah. Replace. Unsupported for plus and var. y plus equals okay, so we need to do radd as well. Yay. These are commutative. Input out of range. Oh, right. We have extra new lines in our input. Well, that's fucking crazy. Oh no. Oh no, what have I done? Oh, that was a mistake. This is some big fucking recursive terrible shenanigans. Let's breakpoint here and see what we get for each step. Okay. So because we do a bunch of add zeros. Yeah, so if we ever multiply by 0, if other equals 0, return 0. So that's one thing to do. Other equals 0, return self. Try that again. Four plus digit 0 times 15. Okay. Oh my god. Why do we not have the mod in here? Also, this is different than what we saw. Shit. Mods, yeah. Also, how did we end up with 4 plus... Oh, var digit 0. I feel like X is supposed to reset. Like, I don't know how X ended up with this in here. Yeah, because we reset it to 0 at the beginning. Oh, we do add xz mod x 26. So how did we not... Why is there no mod in here? Oh, we should also do division. Why don't we see any divisions in here? Or do we, and it's just hard to see? I must have a bug in the code then. Oh, we got that here. Other equals 1, return self. Otherwise, do this. What does it say command val? Where the fuck is that from? What the hell is that? What is command val? What? That can't possibly work. Where did that come from? Why have we not hit any divisions? Insertion error mod? On what line? The code line doesn't make sense. Is it because I'm in a debugger? Oh, okay, yeah, it's here. Oh, these are fucky. Let's see. Expression and int. Oh, because it's floor mod, floor division operator Python. What is this? Isn't division just a hard way to make multiplication? No? Or div. We know this is a mistake, right? Oh, that's actually not that bad. So we just need to print this out and then evaluate it somehow. Okay. Hmm. Oh. Okay, so this has to be non-zero. Why do we have times true in here? Ooh. Okay. So what is the thing that we need? What is the largest number? By leaving a 0 in variable z. We have forgotten parentheses here. Holy shit. Why is this messed up? Why did we not get a new line there? Oh, the file name is just long. Okay. So this thing has to equal 0? That's fucking crazy. That's at least 0 parens. Yeah. Is this calculus? No. But I suspect it's modular arithmetic. Are there any simplifications that we can make here? Why do we not see any mods in here? Yeah, why do we not see any mods in here? Where is our mods? Do we just not run mod properly? We're running a bunch of mods. We must just not have any use? I wonder if we plug this in as a series of equations into Wolfram Alpha, if this works. The thing is, it's just like so hard to read what's going on here. And there's like a bunch of probably extraneous parentheses. Thing is, I don't see any subtraction in here, so I don't see how this is ever possibly 0. We do division. Floor division? Yeah, but The floor division would just have to... I mean, the only floor divisions I see are a bunch of divide by 26 and then multiply by 26. So I guess this has to be... Oh, they all... This term is always positive. Well, let's write this out. Just run black on this probably. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, but interestingly, we see a lot of integer divide 26 times 26. Which I think any of those just means it has to be less than 26. I need to use the restroom though, so I will be right back and then we'll think about this some more. All right, we are going to do a blasphemous thing and switch from 4 space tabs to 1 space tabs. That did not make this better. I made it slightly better. I did get water, yes, indeed. Here it is. Production quality code? Yeah. It was so slow to run too. Welcome, gamer. How you doing? Okay. This is so fucking hard to read. Like this is terrible. Like this is perfectly readable. Why couldn't Black have done this more often? So what's wild to me is this is telling me that digit 13 can't that's always going to be positive. This is always going to be positive. So I've fucked something up. This is the last one. X is 0. Add -8. I think we've ever... Did we handle that? Wait, what did I just do? X should have some non-zero thing here. So there's something wrong with our code. Save that just in case we use it. Expect we won't. Now we get an assertion error? Oh, because got it. Get an assertion error on my breakpoint. Yeah. Okay. X is true. Okay. Okay, screw this up. Expert left. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Okay, so we do have a mod in here. Z26. Okay. Add X -8. Yeah, there is the subtract 8 there. Equal XW. That is false. Um. Oh. Oh God, that makes it way more complicated. Oh. I think I had just assumed that equality would error out, but I am wrong there. This is what? 4 plus digit 0 mod 26. Plus 14. So I think we can know the answer to this. How? If we have a mod, oh wait, we don't know this because mod 26. This mod 26 does nothing for this expression because this is always less than 26. This is crazy. This is nuts. Not sure what to do for the equality ones. And it's gonna come up a lot. Oh. Do we know that these are always false is the other thing. Because I think we see this pattern a bunch of times. Yeah, we see this over and over. Oh, we see at the end here. So that can never be true. That can never be true either. That can never be true either. This one could be true. Four plus digit 0. Integer divided by 26. So this is always 0 plus negative 7. So this can never be true either. Plus 10 can never be true. Can never be true. Oh yeah, add a negative number can never be true. Okay, so if is instance other expr or assert self dot op equals plus assert is instance self dot write int assert self dot write is less than 1 or self dot write is greater than or equal to 10. Assert as instance other var return false. What command is this? Add zy. Oh. This is the check for other equals 0. We can just say false. For those checks up there. Yeah. Then I think this is what the fuck do we get here now? Break a point. Oh, it's gonna be another late night chat. Oh. See, self-inflicted. Where is this breakpoint? Oh, it's right there. Hey, what's up, Conbigo? Hello, hello. Oh, this is still insanity. We kind of need a way to flatten this expression, and my parentheses is not great. We could just have Wolfram Alpha simplify it, maybe? Wait, why did it print like this? Oh, because I edited the file in the other pane. Pane. This is a crazy puzzle? Yes, it is. But we're getting somewhere. I feel. Okay. Wolfram Alpha, are you down today? Oh, I've exceeded the maximum number of characters. Bug. Get rid of white space. Why is there still space there? You fit in the... Oops. Please. No. Senpai, that's a thing for mathematics, right? Let's do it myself. I guess I do it myself. Oh. How though? We still see V4 plus V13 here, which makes me think that there's something wrong here, because the digits can't be negative. So I think there's something messed up there. Looks like today's a list puzzle. Yeah, indeed. Indeed. How many people have finished so far? Probably the full leaderboard, right? That's not what I wanted. All but 2 people have finished. Crazy. Senpai had a text input? I kind of doubt this is going to do anything. Percent 28, percent 28, percent 28. What is Advent of Code? Literally in the title, my dude. The command's right there. Oh. Yeah, we have a +4 remaining terms, so like... So this is wrong? Is it so that Senpai and Wolfram Alpha is serving the same purpose? Yeah, I wanted it to just simplify things for me. And it did. V8 equals none. False. That's invalid syntax. Yeah, so we have some bug somewhere. Leaderboard is officially full. Nice, nice. Oh, but now we need to try and figure out where our bug is. Well, we know at least V13 is wrong, so if we do that one again by hand, then we can figure this out. X equals Z. Mod 26. Z equals Z mod 26, or integer divide 26. X is minus 8. And then X cannot equal W. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, this can be positive. Hmm. So I think we were assuming over and over that this has to be... Oh, at the end we do add Z to Y. So we have to find the case where X is 0. Do we do that at the end of all these? Okay, I understand now. I understand now. We can solve each part individually. Yeah. Yeah, we can solve each part individually. And we are supposed to actually use that equality. This equality is not always false. This one here. Because if we look at this, we have X equals 0, Z equals 0. This does nothing. This does nothing. We have X equals 15. The first digit I think doesn't matter. Ugh. Okay, well let's just keep doing this out. X does not equal W. Right, X equals W. This is always false. So that sets X to 0. And then X equals 0 is always true. That sets X to 1. That's what I don't understand. The first digit, X is 0, still 0, still 0, 0. 15. 15 can never equal this. This is always 1. I think maybe z just has an initial value. Okay, x equals 1, y equals 0, y equals 25, y equals, I already typed 26, okay, y equals 26, z is still 0, multiply y by 0, y becomes 0, w gets added to y. Let me play this out again because I'm losing my mind. X equals 0, z equals 0. This does nothing. This does nothing. X equals 15. Then cannot equal w. So this is false, this is 0, and then 0, 0 equals 1. X equals 1 up till here. Y equals 0. Add 25 to y equals 25, multiply y by x does nothing. Add 1 to y is now 26, multiply z by z is still 0, multiply y by 0, y is 0. Add w to y, so y is w sub 0 plus 4. Multiply y by x, that does nothing. Okay, so z of 0 is equal to w0 plus 4 is what we get out of the first one. Part 1, we get x equals 1, z equals w0 plus 4, and y equals w0 plus 4. What do we get in our actual expansion here? Let us breakpoint. This is the start. Okay, that looks great. That is exactly what we expect. Okay. So somehow we have to get rid of that 0 in the second part. Okay, step 1, we end up with x equals 1, y equals 4 plus w0, equals 4 plus w0. On to the second one. So x equals 0, we add x to z, so that does nothing. We mod x by 26, that does nothing. Oh wait, no, we add z to x. So x is now 4 plus w0. We mod x by 26, that does nothing. We divide z by 1, that does nothing. We add 14 to x. We check if it is equal to w. It never will be. So we set x to 1 here. And then we set y to 0, 25. And then we multiply y by x, which does nothing. We add 1 to 26. We multiply z by y here. So z is now 26 times 4 plus w0. Then we set y to 0. And then we set y to w1 plus 16 multiplied by x, which is 1. And then we add it to z. How does that ever become 0? Okay, so we have x is true, w1 plus 16. And we have 26 times 4 plus this, plus 16 plus var1. That seems right. Okay, on to the next one. X equals 0, x becomes z. Mod 26. Oh, this is the first time we do mod, right? No, we did it at the beginning as well. So we do it every step. Okay, anyway. Divide by z by 1, add 11 to x. So since this is always positive, where do we start with the negatives? I think those are the ones that are interesting. Those are the only times we would ever end up in a situation where this is where this becomes 0. And I think that's where things are interesting. X equals 0, x equals z, mod 26, z equals z integer divide 26. We add negative 13 to this. And we need to find whether it is equal to that thing. Wish I knew what line we were on. Okay, so then this makes x become, we need to make this x become 0 because we multiply z by y here. We need this to be 0. Then we input another digit. We add 3. W plus 3 times 0. So we don't have negatives all the time. We only just have some negatives. But when we have negatives, that means we can zero out things. I think. Okay, let's try this now. Without that. What the fuck did we get here? Why is it even calling equals? It's literally itself. If other is self, return true. Oh god. We have a system of equations now. System equation is all that band. Yeah. DGK says, still on day 5, looks like you're doing AST for today. Kind of. Okay. Now that we have a system of equations, we can potentially figure out the numbers. Do we throw this at Z3? Do I remember how to use Z3? Z3 integer. Maybe I just use Z3 as my substrate. Almost done completely manually? Oh my god. That's fucking insane. You're a crazy man, Aerobounce. Let's see if I remember how to use Z3. You know it's a good AOC day when you pull out the Z3. Okay. So how do I do this? So we can shrink you back down. Beginning. So that's less useful. Did 2018 I did the minimizer? Yeah. Okay. Ezekiel's heading out. Thank you for stopping by. Good to see you again. Val Kadari says, I just went through the input manually and then gave what I found to Python. I see. I see. Oh, you know what I could do? Since we have small enough... Actually, now that I have small enough equations, I can just compute them, right? Like, I can just loop over however many variables are in this expression and eval them, essentially. We know digit 3 will be whatever the result of this is, as long as digit 3 is non-zero. So we only have to do it in terms of digits 0, 1, and 2. And then digit 6 will be... Oh wait, why is digit 0 still in this one? How did you get back into here? You should have been zeroed out. Yeah, wait, what? Hey, what's up, Crow? This should have set y to 0. Oh. Why does this not Why did we do that there? Oh, do we always do that? We always do that. I feel like it's not valid for me to just try intermediates. But I think if we just try all the numbers in here, we can get the possible digit 3s, maybe? So what is this? Really hard to read. 14 plus v2 is what this expression is. Oh, we should just use our printing function. Hey, what's up, Highline? We're doing all right. We are doing all right. But I bet we can plug this into Wolfram Alpha now, just because I want to see. V3 equals this, and V3 is greater than or equal to 1. V3 is less than 10. Are you fucking kidding me? Integer solutions. Can you give me integer solutions for all of these, please? Number of integer solutions, 648. So we want to maximize the earliest digits, right? The other tricky thing is, oh, we don't see V3 in here at all. It's interesting. And this continues to build up. But is W always 2? Our solutions. Apparently we're at the putting things in Wolfram Alpha stage of the evening. Yeah, I just want to do this before I start simulating. What happens if we say x is greater than or equal to? What if we say x is 9? Do we get a solution? We do get a bunch of solutions. Is W always 2? I think W is always 2. Narrows it down. Just implement Wolfram Alpha into Copilot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we do get some. Oh, we get some W equals 3s though. Interesting. We say Z is greater than or equal to 7 also. So this is a fairly large number. 9998. The problem is, I don't know that it actually helps this. I don't know if this helps us. Because those numbers are still in the rest of these. Like, how many variables are there for V13? There's 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 9. I wonder if these multiplied 26 mod 26s are throwing us off. Because 4 times 26 plus 16, this is 20 times 26 plus 14 mod 26. So 14 minus 13 equals 1? That's not right. Hmm. Can I get Z3 to parse as a string? Parse Python. Parse statement to string. Invalid commands parenthesis. Oh, symbol expected. What happens if we use W? Column 6. Column 7. I don't know how to write Z3. Apparently I have to do... well, we can just write our own statements, I guess. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. And WI for I in range 14. That gets us our digits. And we need to 2Z3. If is instance expert bool return 1. Elif actually, yeah, if is instance expert int return expert. Return what? Return what? Return digits expert.digit. Otherwise, we have an expression. F8XJ, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Audaville says, just started learning Python last week and this looks crazy to me. Well, this stuff's crazy to me too. You know, it's not just you. I wouldn't worry about it too much. Okay, what am I doing? Otherwise, we need to. Oh, we need to do this first. Digits. Oh. Dot add. Digit is in this range. Okay. Can the average dummy like me even learn this? Yeah, anyone can learn this. Looks easy to me when I was looking at my other monitor. I need to turn my lights off. Texas BB2, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Two Z3 Mars X plus int and 2. Break a point. See what that does. Symbolic expressions cannot be cast to concrete Boolean values. Oh, wait. Oh, unsupported operand type for / arithmetic reference and integer. Maybe we just use div? What is the division? Through div. As opposed to the false div. I used this before. We maximize something and minimize something else. Oh fuck, we get an answer! That's kinda cool. That's kinda cool. I need to use the restroom before I look at how this worked. But I will be right back. This is exciting. I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. And I felt like I needed to handicap myself because I'm doing so well on this problem. I'm kidding, I just wanted a beer. We are drinking a milkshake stout from Rochester Mills Beer Company. Eric says, "Oh no," and that's probably the right reaction because I am likely celebrating too early. But we'll see what we got here. Be careful, check if there are any boys in your yard. Yeah, right. Okay, so I only optimized one, or only maximized one variable. I don't know how it does in preference. Oh, actually, we can just have a number, maybe, that's equal to that. Let's try this again. Oh wait, no, we don't have to do that. Sum equals. Can I just do this? Well, now I've clobbered some. I have my entire input program boiled down to a simple for loop and 3 different lists of 14 integers. Nice. Well, I'm just trying to jam it through with Z3. I don't think I actually need to jam it through with Z3 because I think these expressions are not terrible. I would just need to eval them. How do you have 3 lists? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 7 of these. I don't fucking care. If this works, then I'm fine with this. The 0th we'll have 10 to the 14th. For the 13th we'll have 10 to the 1. The 13 minus I? 0th it'll be 10 to the 13? Yeah. For I var in, call it, digits. Unpack non-iterable arith-ref object. Oh, we want enumerage. What am I doing? Return some. Actually, we can probably just say please Z3 magic. None. Oh, I forgot to do. Please, 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 please. Please. Yes! I'm so ready to get fucked by part 2. I hope part 2 is like, what is the minimum number? Yes! It's... Yes! Oh my god, part 2 is easy because we just do minimize instead of maximize. Oh, fucking genius. Oh my god. Fucking poggers this shit. Fuck yeah. No unit test this time? Yeah, there wasn't any test. Oh, that feels good. Man, Z3 is so satisfying. You just describe this series of equations and it just fucking solves it for you. It does feel like cheating. I don't give a shit. Alright, let's clean up the code a little bit. Oh god, Z3, so good. So good. Uniman says, how did you get part 1 an equation solver? Kind of. I mean, a lot of code to build the equation, and then, yes, Z3 is a... What is it called? Also, how did I get... Did I miss a bunch of subs? My sub count when I started the stream was 176, and now it is at 185. What happened? Where did those come from? I think I only got 1 sub this stream. Or no, I got 2 subs. I got Dragon Mike and Python or CPP. Twitch, what are you doing? Theorem Prover, yes, that is what it's called. Theorem Prover, yes, yes, yes. I subbed like 10 times, yeah. Yeah. Z3 is kind of fucking magic. Like kind of fucking magic. like actual real fucking magic. Yeah. I don't like this wars. We're gonna call it variables. Magic, are you sure it's not sufficiently advanced technology? Okay, now do it in SQLite. Alright. Done! Easiest SQLite solution ever. No, I'm just memeing. Okay. C3 solver, is that what it's called? C3 solver. Solver. Admittedly, using Z3 feels like cheating. Do not care. Do not care. First implement Z3 and SQLite, yeah. I have something you can do if you want to do more code and finish the beer. Oh yeah, that's true. Pep was messed up. Oh yeah, if you just do pep with no arguments. Yeah. We should... Yeah, I can fix that. That's actually, I think, pretty easy to fix. Yeah, we can do that. I also have some open source to review. We're not going to run this 5 times. We're just going to run it twice. And add that to our reamd. Man, Z3. Z3 is fucking chef kiss. Tony, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. As a beginner, I'm so impressed that you do everything through your terminal. Yeah, I mean, I've used IDEs before. They are really nice when they work. I just prefer to stay in the terminal. I feel like I'm more efficient here. Shell is the best. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the terminal. Okay. Someone just knocked on my door. It's fucking 2 in the morning. They're probably like, "Why are you being loud?" Okay, let me go. Oh, what the fuck? I've never seen this output from my Pi. Let me go check my door, because they might be like, "Quiet down, we're sleeping," but. Nobody there. Nobody knows the trouble I've seen. Alright, what the fuck is it mad about? Oh, cycles. Right, that would do it. Why do people keep knocking on my door? I don't know. They also just like don't show up. They just leave. So the shitty thing about this is actually we could probably just do this. Does that work? Is that all I need? Because probably all need to be this. That's almost certainly why my Pi is mad. We're gonna be breaking stuff here, so let's Mummy's gonna be real strict about what we can and can't do here, so I have to make sure that this is right. This is var or expr. Titan CNC, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. This needs to be object again. Wait, why do we have add and our add? We just need add. The left will never be an integer value because it's always the place where you store the computation. Or add? No, because you can add two variables together. So it could be an expr, I'm pretty sure. We can validate that by doing this. Okay, fine. Fine. You win. You're right. Okay. Actually like that better. And integer addition is commutative. So this is always var or self. This is bool. Alright. Are we on part 1? No, I'm done. I'm cleaning up and committing my solution. Admittedly, I cheesed a little bit. I basically did all the parsing and then got it to the point where I could make a series of equations and then used this bad boy. Holy rooster! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You'll never have add 3x because that says add 3 to the value x and store it in register y. Yes, but you can have add xy. Those exist, I think. Yeah. Add xy is fine. Can we discuss solutions? Sure, go for it. 2z3 does not return a value. Yeah, that's true. Int or... Oh, z3 has a... I think this has to be any because I don't think z3 has types. I realized I didn't need to simulate anything. Yeah, I didn't simulate either. Since there's a simple rule that transforms each z to the next z. Simple memorize to find the max and min. Cool. Yeah, I didn't simulate either. I mean, I did, but I didn't. Oh no, I just did a bunch of work and then it undid itself. What did I just do? I know we don't need this. No, we don't need that. Add incompatible with super type. Oh, we just lost all of this, didn't we? Object. Ooh. Wait, what do you mean? Incompatible with super type tuple. Oh, is it mad because I'm using name tuple? It's mad because I'm using name tuple. I could type ignore, but we can just do this. That's really all we were getting from name tuple anyway. Now are you mad? Still works. Hey, what's up, Qualzy? I know you've been here for a while, but I forgot to say hi because I was in the zone. But how are you doing? Well, return type got int. Can be an int. 92. Incompatible return type got var. Expected expr. Right, we already fixed this. This is what we did. That got lost. Signature of add is wrong. Damn. No return value expected. Right, this is going to be any. It's cheese. It's true. It's true. Doing good. Out of my, I like to watch. Sounds good. Sounds good. 145. Argument 1 to Z3 has union int expert var. Var has no attribute replace. Var. That was one of the things we lost by going away from name table. Inspection is type var, target has type int. Well, return type. Is indeed correct. Unsupported operand type for plus expr and int. Right, this needs to have def. Add self other objects, which returns expr. Also needs to have rad. And it needs to have mul. Armul. And FloorDiv and mod and ink. Fuck. Go in there. Mod. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is supposed to be object. Dr. Martin66, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Make sure this still works. Oh, you subbed to Mop, Jazz Lucy. Nice, nice. I realized who knocked on your door, Santa. I have to like organize your code a little bit more. Are you gonna end the stream? No, we're gonna fix a command. I still have to finish my beer. We're gonna fix a command in my chatbot. Object. Oh, this is not the right thing. Mul should be int or. Heh, 69, nice. That's completely unintentional. We'll use Son for business names here. Loses a bit of the cuteness when you hear 7-Eleven Son. What? This huge Japanese girl band gacha game thingy, and they always call Santa Santa-san. Oh my god. Why did I say Santa weird? I guess I was only runtime. Yeah, good call, good call, good call. Let me make sure this still works. Supported operand types for star and var? I guess we can just add a mult that raises. Yeah. Should make this less mad. We need Armal. Really? Floor div? Why you know? Important type for int and expr. Int and var. Oh, it's probably just because we don't have. Is there like R floor div? What the hell is this supposed to be? Well, that did make it better. So we need. Wait, our floor div makes no sense. We need to add that up here. So knowing that we have to define both directions of all these. Oh, MyPy has finally noticed me. Look. MyPy-chan. Yeah. Are we dereferencing some Japanese? Right. Okay. Two character change for part 2. Wait, why is part 2 slower than part 1? Slime's new, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And I miss Dr. Martin, thank you as well for the follow. Oh wait, no, it's faster. Why is it faster? That makes no sense. Maybe Z3 has to check fewer things? I don't know, it's a magical block box. Day 24, part 2. I think it's a little annoying that a lot of people solved day 23 and 24 by hand. But that's the way things go. Oh man. Came out of nowhere. Or did you just join the leaderboard? Maybe that's what it is. Wow, I'm gonna be 5th on my own leaderboard this year. That's crazy. Epsilon's working on part 2. I put day 25? Damn it. Thank you, chat. It was my best day. Nice, nice. Oh man, you all caught it and I didn't. I'm never gonna get this working. Why is it bad that people solve 24 by hand? It's advent of code, not advent of pen and paper. I don't know. I think it's fine. I don't know. A lot of people solve day 23 by hand. And something about that just feels wrong to me. But, you know, you can solve it any way you want. That's the beauty of it. Sometimes it's the advent of understanding code, not advent of writing code. Yeah, that's also true. That's definitely true. And for instance, my solution today is just as cheating as doing it by pen and paper. Using Z3 to magic your way through something, kind of cheating, but that's fine. There's a lot of gross code here. How do I make this less terrible? I'm glad you didn't do it by hand. Yeah, I mean, the content would be way more boring by hand. Programs were written in paper in the past. I mean, not exactly Chorus though, because they had like punch cards and like they still executed. It has neat things in it that are worth finding if you have the stomach for more analysis. I mean, I feel like the equations that I ended up with are not that wild. So like I could have done a lot of this by hand and like ended up with loops and stuff, but I figured not. Maybe when you're having fewer beer. That's true. New Mind, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Akasha says they're more like cardboard. I had thousands of them around the house when I was a kid. Punch, ye old punch cards. Okay. So we're gonna fix one thing in the bot because I still have beer in the tank. This should not say this. Actually, I think this is really easy. So we might just end up chugging the beer. But plugins. Pip. I think this is the just by doing. How this works. Return format message match. Pepperoni. Talking about even before punch cards? They weren't programs then. They were just proofs, right? Stupid async IO. Ooh. Okay, I think that fixes that. All right. Go forth, QA team. Check whether this shit works or not. Wait. Fuck. I broke the I broke things. This should still work. But first it's the drop song. How does this work? Message. Message match. Where's the code where it checks what the person is? I guess we can just look at an example of one. Chat rank. Optional user arg. Where does that come from? Optional bot permission. Message.strip.partition. Yeah, the pep command's broken right now. We fix it. We fix it. Okay, so it'll be command space thing. Got it. So command space rest equals match message on strip on partition space. If re.mesh Hey, what's up, Willem? Hello, hello. We could even do a frost string and do this. Let's try that. The fuck? There's no line 45 in this file. Oh. Oh, this needs to have match in it as well. How's the night going? Pretty good, pretty good. I can't complain, but I'm not going to. Okay, pep 8. Pep 8. And I think we can get rid of this. Pep wat. Wat. Okay, I think we good now. Alright, you get to QA test again. I think we fixed it. Let loose the floodgates. Your non non-ASCII ordinals there, Kanbiko. That's a feature, not a bug. Pep 13245. Huh. Wait, why does OX001 work? Oh, because it matches the 0. Maybe this should be full match. Wait. Wait, why does 0010 go to Pep 50? Wait. Oh wait, no, that was Kanbiko's. Okay. Pep -9? Yeah. That doesn't match Pac T. We put word boundary here. Does that improve things? All right. Quiet for a sec. Quiet for a sec. Shh. Shh. Hang on a sec. Okay, try again. I don't think the octal and the binary ones are working. Because it was just parsing the 0 out of them and giving you pep 0. Oh, nice, Brett. Now that one works. That one works. Cool. That one works. Alright, I think this is working better now. Oh, weird. Wait, why didn't pep 1? Why didn't the weird 1 work? Real ins. I think that's expected. Bippus. Fails if the number is too big? Yeah, peps can only be 4 digits. So that is working as expected. I think what I should do here... Does message include the backr backend? Nope. I think this should actually be space or end. All right, quiet for a sec. Shh. 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 Quiet for a sec. Okay. Try the one you just tried, Eric. Because that one I think should give an error message. Hey, nice. Nice. Okay. I think that's probably good now. Should I add tests? I think I already have some tests. What the fuck is this? Decorator coroutine. Is this just an old version? Up to date. This thing just must not be maintained. I wonder what Twitch thinks of us. We're such a small little blip in the vast world of Twitch. We are a teeny tiny stream. We have 83 viewers. There are streams with thousands, with hundreds of thousands of viewers. We are nothing in the scope of Twitch. So Twitch doesn't give a fuck. Once I saw your regex, I got better tests. Yeah, that makes sense. Who needs tests, right? Improve pep. We need to do hard quotes. Oh man. I do like the use of non-ASCII ordinals. I do really like that. I remember being on one of the first streams related to Cyberpunk with 250k viewers. Holy shit. Yeah, actually, Eric, I did a video about exactly the thing that you were pointing out. Yeah. Projects, gotcha. Yeah. But yeah, I basically go over the same thing in this, in that \d in Python matches non-ASCII characters, which is pretty funny. Gotcha video. What does gotcha mean again? Is that the hentai video games, or is that the pay to win video games? What's the difference? Or is it both? You can tell I don't play gotcha games, so I don't actually know. Gotcha is just pay to win. I did say hentai, yeah. Gambling / pay to win. Got it. Okay. Why are you bonking me? It's a legitimate question. Am I also wrong in that most gacha games are also, you know, am I wrong? I'm okay being wrong. I'm just asking. I'm legitimately curious. You said it once, you can't say it again? Marsha hasn't played any hentai ones. Well then to me that means that Marsha that there aren't any, because if there were, Marsha would have played them. The models in a lots of them are pretty skimpy. Okay, well then you're just confirming what I posited. Gotcha in Japan are just you get a random price if you enter money into this machines. Got it. Got it. What was your answer for part 1? Let me push this and then ASC day 24. This number. And this is my part 2. But it's not hentai? Okay, well. Pay for I mean they're titty games, right? I'm gonna get canceled for this now. Your part 2 answer is barely lower than my part 1 answer? Really? Is your part 1 answer correct? How are you spending Christmas? Not streaming tomorrow. Tomorrow today. I will be streaming. I'm probably gonna wake up in like 9 hours and stream midday. Because I have stuff to do on Saturday, but I think I'll stream Christmas Eve. I might stream early in the day on Saturday if I can. We'll see what happens. Genshin Impact is gacha. Oh my god, did you guys see the Game of the Year awards or whatever? Where the lady deadass was like Genshin Impact. Coffee Nomad, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I built some other people's code to figure out what the fuck is going on with my solution. Part 1 is that no clue how to get that optimized via Java, but Z3 is fast as hell. Yeah, yo, Z3 legit. Babik, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Genshin Impact, yeah. Yeah. Genshin Impact. No, I actually just want the meme, please. No, I don't. I want to see this. Yeah, here we go. Let's get my video claimed, but I don't give a fuck. What is this edit? What is this edit? Why did they do this? Anyway, that's what I was referring to. I have this hot demon guy with a yummy belly. You're not convincing me away from my assertion earlier. Optimize by Java by logging it and writing another LTAP server with an more appropriate language. Yeah. Ram go rip. Holy shit. Is this Java or is that Z3? I wonder what mine does. User bin. What is the like max RSS thing? Time show max memory usage. I feel like I should do a video on this because it is a very useful thing to know. But it's like a 5-minute video. It's time-v. But you can also narrow it down. Maximum resident set size. Average is 0? Doesn't feel right. That's actually not that much memory. Cool. Yeah, time dash V. There's a thing to only show the one though. I just don't remember what it is. But this thing. This is what I wanted. But anyway. Alright, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational videos to my YouTube channel 3 times a week. There will be one tomorrow. I also upload my Advent of Code solutions every day, so you can check those out. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony. I should probably start saying at most 15 seconds on old hardware, and you don't have to rent a data center of X1E 32XLs. Yeah, it's true. Beldathis, how are you doing? Drunk Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 10 months. Appreciate your continued support. But yes, you can find my stream announcements on Twitter. You can also find them on the Discord, which you are all free to join and come and hang out with us. It's a cool place to hang out. There's a private leaderboard for Advent of Code. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask questions, and a bunch of smart people that can help you out there. And it's just kind of a cool place to hang out. There's also a lot of other fun channels. But that's going to wrap us up for today. Thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.